Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker volumes. Today we are going to learn why we use Docker volumes. What is the reason to use it? Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Docker volumes are used for several reasons in containerized applications to address the challenges related to the data management and the persistence. Here are some key reasons why Docker volumes are commonly used. Most important, that is data persistence. One of the primary reasons of using Docker volumes is to achieve data persistence. Volumes allow data to exist independently of the Docker container's lifecycle. When a container is stopped or removed, the data is stored in the volume remains intact, ensure that the valuable information is not lost. That means you need to when you create a volume, now you are going to mount the data on your host machine to the Docker volumes. After that, whatever data you are writing into your host machine, that will automatically copy into your Docker volumes, right? So this is the thing that like suppose I have a node.js project, right? And I need to change everything. I need to create the rest apis over there, right? I have a 10 list of apis, and coming to the next one, I'm creating next two apis. So that I don't need to like copy these files to the docker container and just do the build and all. I don't want to do that. For data to be reflected runtime, whatever I need to see the changes, I need to use the Docker volumes. That would be possible with the help of the Docker volumes. If you want to see the changes reflected on the browser runtime, Docker volumes will be used. Okay, and it automatically do the rest of the things. I will show you the project with the help of the Node.js how the things goes on. Okay. Containerized data management. Containers are designed to be integral, meaning they can be started, stopped, and destroyed easily, right? However, certain applications require data to persist beyond the lifespan of the individual containers. So I want my data should be as long as possible, it should be there. Volumes provide a mechanism to manage and share the data among the containers while maintaining the separation between the application logic and the data it uses. Sharing data between the containers, container volumes facilitate the sharing the data between the different containers. This is particularly useful for microservices architecture where different components of an application are deployed in a separate containers. Volumes allow these containers to exchange and collaborate share data too. Backup and the restore. Volumes make it easier to backup and restore data since the data is stored outside the container. It can be more convenient backup, and in the event of container failure or data corruption, the data can be easily restored without affecting the application code. Version upgrades and the rollbacks. Docker volumes decouple data from the container image and the code. This separation makes it simpler to perform version upgrades of your applications without worrying about losing your corruption data. If an upgrade causes issues, it is also easier to roll back the previous version without affecting the data stored in the volume. Distributed and the scalable system. In distributed and scalable architecture, Docker volumes help to manage the data across multiple containers and instances of an application. Volumes can be shared among containers running different hosts, enabling seamless scaling without the data consistency issues. Next, we have our database containers. Docker volumes are commonly used with the database containers, storing the database files, configurations in volumes, ensuring that the data persistence even when the database container is stopped or replaced. It allows you for easier database backups and the upgrades. In summary, Docker volumes are critical feature for managing data in the containerized environments. They provide solutions to the challenge of persistent data. That means your data has been lost. In that case, volume come into the role. In that way, flexible, scalable, and compatible with the dynamic nature of the containerized applications. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next video, that is the type of the volumes we are going to learn. Have a great day.